Hello, welcome to Algebra 1. Here we're working on the second learning target still. It's about graphing, identifying, and interpreting key features of linear functions and expressing the function in any old form. And this is talking about how to graph lines by skipping the tables. And we're going to talk about two key words, slope, which is about the direction of the line. And that's in the form of delta y over delta x, meaning the change in y over the change in x. You will see that as we do the examples. And then the y-intercept, which we'll call b for the number part of the y-intercept. So, let's get started. Examples will help. And then we'll be on our way. Now, here's one I did out for you, because I'm a nice guy. We have the line y equals 2/3 x plus 4. So the slope is 2/3, and the 4 on the end is the y-intercept. So you start up at 4, dot, and then from there go up 2 over 3, forward, and then also backward, and then shoom, line. Happiness. All right, here's one. Here we have the line y equals 2x plus 4. Now, first of all, if the coefficient of the x, if the number in front of the x is not a fraction, make it a fraction. So make it 2 over 1. Just make anything over 1 if it's not a fraction already. And that's your slope, 2 over 1. The y-intercept number is 4. And then from there we'll go ahead and put a dot at 4. From that dot, we're going to go up 2, right 1, put another dot. And you can actually keep going forward. I'd also like you to practice thinking about backward. You can go down to left 1 also, and then dot dot dot. You throw down your straight edge with arrows, and you've got a line. Now this is just the first example. Let's do some more. Oh, by the way, this line though, for example 1, this is an uphill line. The slope is positive. It says m is 2 over 1. That's a positive number. And so the line is going up. All right. Here we have a different line. Y equals negative 2/3 x minus 1. This time the slope is negative 2/3. And the y-intercept number is negative 1. So our first dot will be down, negative 1. From there, we're going to need that slope to be negative 2/3. So we're going to go down 2, right 3. Make another dot. You can keep going down 2, right 3, down 2, right 3 forever or until you run out of grid. Also thinking about going backwards, up 2, left 3 might help you out. And then throw down your straight edge with arrows, and you've got a line. Now, at the end of example 1, I said this is an uphill line because it's going up. And that's true, except at the end of example 2, hey, that's where we are now. This is a downhill line because it is going down. The slope is negative. The line, as you go from left to right, like reading in English or in Spanish or any language except like Hebrew or Arabic, the line reads from left to right, and this one is going down. It has a negative slope. It is going down. Next example. Y equals negative 3/4 x minus 5. The slope, negative 3/4. Y-intercept, negative 5. Go ahead and throw a dot down at that y-intercept. And from there, go down 3, right 4. Make another dot. You could try going more here, but that won't really work. So go backwards, up 3, left 4, another dot, and boom, drop your straight edge, throw some arrows down, you've got a line. This is also a downhill line. The slope is negative. This line is going down. All right. Here we have our last example. Y equals x minus 1. Now, here it looks like there's no number in front of the x for the slope. but it's just a hidden 1 over 1, which is really 1, which you don't normally write as a coefficient for the x. So anyway, if there's nothing written, it's 1 over 1, so the slope is 1 over 1. The b number for the y-intercept is -1. Boom. Dot. From there, go ahead and go up 1, right 1. You could keep going for a while. We've got lots of room. Or you can go backwards, down 1, left 1. Either way, throw down your favorite straight edge. Boom. Arrows. Boom, boom. You've got a line. This line, like example 1, is an uphill line, and that's because it has a positive slope. So it's easy to get turned around about whether your slope is positive or negative and how that affects your line. So it really helps if you can eyeball lines ahead of time and go, oh yeah, that's positive. My slope should be positive, or oops, my slope should be negative. I gotta change my thing here. Anyway, examples 1 and 4 were positive slopes, uphill lines. Examples 2 and 3, negative slopes, downhill lines. I'm sorry to say that that's all I have for you today. So please do let me know if you have any questions. And as always, thank you for watching.